Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to authenticate Postman using connected app and Auth 2.0 version and security token in Salesforce. In this lesson, we will be see how to get an account record based on record ID using GET request through Postman in Salesforce. So friends, in this lesson, we will be see an example of how to run Apex REST API to get record through Postman in Salesforce. Here, we will be fetching of account record based on record ID using GET request through Postman in Salesforce. First, open Postman app and authenticate to GET token. Then add GET request method. Then pass the URL. The URL will be your domain name, then version of API, then a subjects and backslash account. So here I am getting the record of account. So here I will be pass the account object name. After that, we will be sending request to get account record through Postman. So now let's jump to my Salesforce and Postman app, where we will be see live demo example, how to pass URL and how to send a request to get account record through Postman in Salesforce. So let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org and this is a Postman. So in the previous lesson, we have authenticated the Postman through connected app and security token. So this is a client ID, client secret, password, and in the bottom get new access token. So first you authenticate the Postman, click here, authentication completed, then click on proceed. This is the access token, use this token. So now I authenticate the API. After that we will be add a get request. So go to the collection. This is my collection W3 Wave Postman. Here you will be get dot 3 icon. Click here. From here you will be add request. Click here, add request. So friends, in this lesson we will be fetch the record of account through Postman. So here I will be select get method and here we will be pass the URL. Now let me explain about the URL what you need to pass. Go to developer.salesforce.org that is provided by the Salesforce. This is a reference URL. So in this reference page, you will be get the URL that you pass to get the record of account. So first you need to pass your domain name, then version of API, then as objects, then name of the object. So this URL also I have given the reference in my doc here. So first copy the URL and go to Postman and pass here. So change your domain root URL here. So go to your Salesforce. This is my domain root link. Take W3 Wave. So from here, I will be copy from here and pass to the Postman. So root URL name will be replaced from my developer account URL. The rest of thing will be same: service, data, API version, a subjects and account. Here I will be pass account because I am getting the record ID of account. Then backslash, then pass the record ID. So go to your Salesforce org. Here I am getting the record of account. So click on the account. Open any of the record. So here I am opening Take W3 Wave. This is a record ID of this account. Copy the record ID. Go to Postman and pass here. So friends, first I pass my domain URL. Then this is a version of the API service data and v59.0. It is a version of REST API. Then pass the S object, then backslash account. Here I am getting the record of account. So here I am passing the account. If you want to get record of opportunity and contact, then pass your object name here. Then pass the record ID that you want to get through Postman. Now there is a button send. Whenever I click on the button, response will be displayed here. So now let me click here. Here you will be get one record get successfully. So all of the field of account will be displayed here. So this is the account ID and all of the field are null. Which field have value, then display the value, and which field have none, then display the none. So all of the field value display here. So here I am fetching the record account based on this record ID through Postman. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything issue to fetch the record of account through Postman, please write in comment box. Friends, I always believe in practical scenarios, not in theoretical. If you are looking Salesforce and web application training, I will be provide to you in from beginning to advanced level training with real-time project scenario that is working in office. Please feel free to contact me for any inquiry or assistance. Visit my website www.thevijaykumar.in and download my app Take W3 Web. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search Tech W3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.